Hello once again, this is James Broughton, and welcome to my Safety Culture series. In my last video, I provided an overview on how to design and implement your safety policy statement. And I discussed that after you have defined, written, and communicated your policy statement, you will have a solid feel for what you want to achieve. And once you've done that, it is now time to determine where you want to end up, your final destination, and how will it define success. In this session, I want to discuss how to set goals that will guide the daily actions needed to get to your desired destination. Your safety management system success is only as good as what you put into it. And according to Oregon OSHA's document, Safety and Health Management Basics, goals are easy to write, as they are nothing more than wishes. One thing to remember here is that a well-written series of goals have the following 4 characteristics. Number 1, each goal will start with an action verb that is written. Number 2, each goal will have one single defined key result that must be accomplished. Number 3, each goal must be quantifiable, one that can be measured on a numerical basis or visible desired change. And number 4, each goal will specify a target date when you expect each stated goal to be achieved. In many cases, goal setting is just arbitrary in nature. The need for using goal-setting concepts is not always understood by many organizations. As an example, many organizations still use incident rates as the sole measurement of the safety process in measuring their safety management system. However, based on this statement, there is one caution here that I want you to consider. If you still use the old TCIR, total case incident rate, then you should consider the following. Incident rates, both frequency, total recordable rates, which includes recordable injury cases, and severity, the number of restricted loss days due to workplace injuries, are considered downstream measurements. This means that these type of measurements are similar in nature to trying to inspect quality into a finished product after the fact, rather than trying to control the quality during the process. And in my opinion, holding this view and measuring TCIR is a matter of luck. With that said, I am reminded of a great book written by Rick Page entitled Hope is Not a Strategy. For example, if you set a goal to reduce your injuries by 10% and or reduce the injury rate, the TCIR, by 25% this year, what does that really mean to you? And most importantly, what does it really mean to your employees? This example reminds me of a Dilbert cartoon that portrayed Dilbert's boss reporting that our goal this year is 0 disabling injuries. Last year our goal was 26 disabling injuries. In retrospect, this was a mistake. We had to injure 9 employees to meet the goal. This example basically states that you expect employees to get hurt, and therefore failure in your safety management system. And again I ask, is this the message that you want to convey to your employees? In reality, an organization can have a low injury rate, yet would be challenged to demonstrate compliance with basic general OSHA standards and requirements, and even the basic elements of the safety management system. At another extreme, if your goals are set too high, it may be impossible to meet the stated goals. And if you set your goals too low, you may always be able to show achieving goals, with the results of no improvement in the safety management system. And failing to achieve a goal brings on dissolution and lowers the level of desired employee motivation to remain involved. And before I conclude, in this video we discussed the basics of goal setting, and I stated that your safety management system's success is only as good as what you put into it. And I briefly outlined some characteristics of developing good goals. In the next video, I will discuss an overview of a solution that will help you with your safety process in developing your goals. Thank you for listening to this video. I wish you success in your journey towards a safety culture. For more details, visit my website, safetycultureplus.com, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube to ensure that you get all of the latest videos.